Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Edge panel on Samsung M35 device. Well, the Edge panel can be customized to display specific apps, tools, or functions based on your preferences. So, enabling the Edge panel allows you to personalize the shortcut and panel's display, tailoring the Edge panel to meet your unique needs and usage patterns. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To start, access the settings on your device. So, select the display menu and then scroll down on this page and then tap on Edge panel option. Well, after that, activate the Edge panel feature by following the on-screen instruction. Once successfully activated, customize its appearance by selecting the specific content you want to display in the Edge panel menu. Okay, when finished, in the Edge panel settings, you can also arrange the position of the Edge panels, choosing whether they appear on the right or left side of the screen. So, additionally, adjust the color, transparency level, size, and thickness of the Edge panel to suit your preferences. Okay, finally, enable the option to add a vibration effect when interacting with the panels. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable Edge panel on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.